Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, which growth stock is the best one to buy? Amazon stock, Tesla stock, or Palantir technology stock? Now, I know these three stocks are in different industries and at different scale, but I also know that there's many of you out there who are thinking about buying one of these three stocks and trying to decide which one of these three to buy. So I'll do my best here to compare these three companies in different industries across four different metrics. And at the end, I'll answer the question, which one is the better buy? So let's get into it, starting with revenue growth. Looking at revenue growth, Tesla in the orange here has had the lead for the most of the time, ending in 37% revenue growth most recently. Palantir coming in second at 17.5%, and Amazon coming in last place here with 8.58%. Now, Tesla has its long-term outlook that it's going to increase vehicle deliveries by 50% per year annually for the long run. And I don't know how feasible that is, but if Tesla is to achieve that feat, it's going to continue to lead in terms of revenue growth across the board here, across these three companies. So Tesla with the lead here with the advantage on revenue growth. The next metric I wanted to look at is operating profit margin over the trailing 12 months. And again, we have Tesla. It didn't have the lead the entire time, but instead, what it's shown is an incredible economy and scale improvement here, going from close to negative 40% in operating margin trailing 12 month all the way up to the lead here with 16.98% operating margins, way ahead of Amazon at 2.38%, and Palantir is catching up fast. Boy, I'll tell you, Palantir is catching up. 8.46% in the trailing 12 months in operating margin, and in its most recent quarter, Palantir Technologies finally became GAAP net profitable and is forecasting to be net profitable for all of 2023. So it wouldn't surprise me if Palantir's operating margins over the next 12 months turn positive, and so that will be a significant improvement. And if it continues at this pace, it won't be long until Palantir overtakes both Amazon and Tesla in this regard. The next metric I wanted to look at is cash flow from operations to sales. I want to see how good a company is at turning $1 of sales into $1 of cash flow. And Amazon turns 9% of sales, 9% of sales into cash flow. Tesla turns double that, 18% of sales into cash flow. Palantir at 11.74% of sales into cash flow, but it has been improving dramatically over the last 2 years. But still, Tesla has the lead here. So far, what we've seen in the three metrics is that Tesla is in the lead across the board. Palantir is catching up, but there is no guarantee that it will. So far, it looks like it's catching up, and at this rate, it will surpass Tesla. But we can't get ahead of ourselves and say that it's going to, right? There's a difference between saying that it is likely to and that it is going to, right? The difference is in the probability. One means that you think it's 100% probability. The other one means that it's a greater than 50% probability. So what I would say that it's likely that Palantir surpasses Tesla in terms of operating margin. I wouldn't say that it's guaranteed. I wouldn't say that it will. Finally, I wanted to look at valuation, and since Palantir is going to be or forecast to be GAAP net profitable in 2023, I can use the forward PE ratio across the board. And according to this metric, Amazon is the most expensive at a forward PE of 66.66. Tesla is at the middle at 53.49, and Palantir at 49.08 is the cheapest stock according to this metric. And so to answer the question, which one of these three stocks is the better buy, Amazon stock, Tesla stock, or Palantir stock, it's very close between Tesla and Palantir. Amazon is behind these two, I would say. And Palantir is catching up to Tesla, and Tesla would be the best stock to buy right now between these three stocks. Although, if you ask me again in 3 months, I might say Palantir. I might say Palantir. It made really good progress in its last quarter. It's done a really good job controlling costs, managing growth. It's the leader in its industry. Tesla is facing stiff competition. Its cost of goods sold are rising. Competitors are lowering prices. Tesla's lowering prices. So 3 months from now, I can see this flipping. But I can't make that decision yet right now because it's not for sure that's what will happen. But we can revisit this 3 months from now and this might change. But for now, Tesla stock is the best one to buy. All right. As always, I truly appreciate your viewership. I hope you will tune in next time for another one of my videos. For now, thank you for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.